Hello and welcome. It is summertime where I am in Bangkok, Thailand. Sawadee ka. Today, I am going to show you some delicious tropical fruits, and it is going to be mango. It is the season for mango, and in Thailand, if you are looking for the best mango, I suggest two varieties that you should look for. One is called Nam Dok Mai, which is this one, and it is perfect for mango sticky rice, and the other one is the Oklong variety. Next best mango in the world, I would say, will be the mangoes from the Philippines. I'm going to make two delicious drinks today, and they're both blended, so they're both going to be Frappe or Frappe, however you'd like to call them. One is going to be mango Biscoff Frappe, so I'm going to use some Biscoff cookies here, and the second one is mango ube Frappe. So I'm going to use some paste here, ube paste. This is a homemade ube paste. You can also buy this off the shelf in some Asian markets. Before we continue, click that subscribe button. Two drinks in 12 ounces cups here. Because both of the drinks will be blended, I would like to top it up with whipped cream. So I'm going to first make my whipped cream. I'm going to put a mat at the bottom here and a chilled bowl, and I'm going to use whipping cream. Very simple, okay? So all I need will be some of my whipping cream here, nothing else. Well, if you'd like it to be a little bit sweeter and some flavor of vanilla, add some vanilla syrup or vanilla extract. This time I'm going to add vanilla syrup. So just a pump of or two of my vanilla syrup there, and now we're going to whip. Start on low speed. We are aiming for hard peak, so whip until you get there. Okay, now I'm going to go on high speed. Okay, now I'm happy with the texture of this, so I'm going to stop right here, and we're going to scoop the cream into the piping bag. Okay, so now we're going to fold it up. Okay, and we're going to keep this for later. Whipped cream done. Let's make our Biscoff. Get your mortar and pestle. So I'm going to just use about 2 pieces of my Biscoff cookies. I love the delicious smelling Biscoff cookies here. So maybe just a couple, or make it 3, okay? And then we're going to grind this. All right, I'm happy with this now. Next, we are going to make my milk syrup. For those that do not know what milk syrup is, it is a combination of my sweetened condensed milk and evaporated milk. And for this, I'm going to make it on the sweet side, which is 2 parts sweetened condensed milk, so 60 ml of sweetened condensed milk here. And then I'm going to add 1 part evaporated milk, which is 30 ml. And this is my milk syrup, which is what I'm going to use for my drink today. Okay, so combine them. And if you're going to pre-mix this and keep it refrigerated, this can stay for up to about a week. But if you're not going to make a lot, then I would suggest that you split this, so condensed milk, evaporated milk, 2/3 and 1/3. So now that I have all the ingredients ready, let us now make our blended mango. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use 1 whole piece of mango here, so 2 cheeks. If you're going to make it 1 cup, so I would suggest that you use only half the mango or 1 cheek. And then into this, I am going to add my milk syrup, which I just made. Is total of 90 ml of milk syrup. Now remember, these are for 2 cups. Okay, so all of my milk syrup there. And to make it delicious, even more delicious, I'm going to use vanilla syrup. You can also replace this with sugar syrup. I'm going to add about 30 ml or 4 pumps, 3, 4. Okay, so make sure you blend it for at least a minute. Okay, I'm happy with this now, and let's see the texture. Beautiful, very, very smooth, and smells absolutely fantastic. Okay, now it's time to assemble the drink. let's assemble the first drink, Mango Biscoff Frappe. So the way I would do it is you pour some of your blended mango drink, okay, and halfway through I'd cut it with some Biscoff and then pour the rest of my mango smoothie. Just add a little bit more of my Biscoff and then top it up with whipped cream. And finally, I am going to just decorate it with a Biscoff cookie there, of ground Biscoff on top. And you have a decadent Mango Biscoff Frappe. Now let's assemble our second drink, which is the Mango Ube. So here I have my homemade ube, and then we're going to now assemble the drink. So into the glass, fill it halfway. Similar presentation here. Okay, and this time I'm going to add my ube in the glass and then pour the rest of your blended mango over. And finally, finish it off with whipped cream. And sprinkle some purple sweet potato powder on top. Time for the moment of truth. I'm going to try my ube mango. I suppose you have to use a spoon here, but I'll try my mango smoothie first. Wow, that is to die for. Absolutely delicious. And that whipped cream. Well, if you're taking it from this cup, then I would say that you stir it so that you get the taste of that ube. I am going to finish this after filming this video, okay? And now my Mango Biscoff. Who doesn't like Biscoff? Well, I love Biscoff, so there you go. That is absolutely delicious. So again, make sure you stir it. So there you go, 2 delicious drinks here for the summer. And if you'd like to see more of this, click that subscribe button. Also, check out my books, All Things Milk Tea and The Basic Barista, details on how to order in the description box below. And if ever you're coming over to Bangkok, do attend my workshops. I hope to see you soon. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.